So good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are very fine. Okay, so in the last lecture I have discussed about how can we arrange the fractions, which fraction is greater and which fraction is less. Okay, so today I will discuss how can we arrange the fractions. Okay, and in this to do this you have to remember how can we convert the fractions into like fractions. So and also the process of LCM, calculate the LCM, calculate the HCF, what are factors, so all are needed here. Okay, so first suppose there are two kind of fractions, there must have three kind of fraction. First fraction, suppose you have given 3 or 4 fractions whose numerators are same, numerators are same. This is first kind of fraction. Second kind of fractions may be denominators are same, and last kind of not numerator not denominator, both are different. Okay, so this kind of fractions you can you can give, and you have asked to rearrange or arrange this in ascending or descending order. Okay, so to do this, first this process, so listen the process very carefully. When the numerators are same but denominators are different, so which fraction having lowest denominator, that fraction must be the greatest fraction. Understand? So in this way we can arrange the fraction. So again I am repeating, the fraction having lowest numerator or not lowest, lower denominator, that fraction is lower denominator means higher fraction value. Understand? First I am rewriting this, next I will give you an example and you will understand better. Next, for when denominators are same, when and the different, and the reverse also, lower denominator higher fraction, higher denominator means lower fraction, opposite is also right. Okay, but I have not written because you can see, you can do it easily. Lower denominator means higher fraction value and higher denominator means lower fraction value. Okay, so remember, for this numerators are same, numerators must be same. Clear? Next, when denominators are same, higher numerator means higher denominator means higher fraction value. See, when numerators are same, lower denominator means higher fraction value, but when denominators are same, higher numerator but numerators are different, denominator same but numerator different, so higher denominator means higher fraction value. Clear? And when both are different, first calculate the LCM of the denominators and convert them into like fractions. Next process is, after when we get the like fractions, then follow this method. When like fractions means denominator same, so when denominator same, higher numerator, then higher numerator means higher fraction value. So now I will give you example and you will understand easily. So I am repeating once. For when numerators are same but denominators different. Denominators different. Okay. Denominator same but numerator different. Numerators different. Both are different. So when numerator same, denominator different, then when having lower denominator, fraction is higher value. Okay, and the fraction, and obviously the reverse, higher denominator means lower fraction value. Okay, next, numerator difference but denominator same. So when denominator same, having higher numerator value, higher fraction value. Okay, when both are different, then first convert all the fractions into like fractions. How? First calculate the LCM of the denominators and convert them into like fractions. Then follow this method. The like fractions means denominator same. When denominators are same but numerators different, then higher numerator means higher fraction value. So okay, now I will give you examples. See, suppose you have given three fractions like this. Numerator same. So 5 upon 3, 5 upon 2, 5 upon 4. So these are three fractions. So you have to write in ascending order and descending order. ASC means ascending order, DESC means descending order. Okay. So for ascending order, what did I say? Now see, ascending order means higher to lower. Ascending means higher to lower. Ascending means lower to higher. Ascending order means lower value to higher value. Okay. So next, what is ascending order? So first you have to find what is the lowest. So here see, lower denominator means highest. So obviously the opposite, higher denominator, lower fraction value. So what is the higher denominator here? 4. See, this is the higher denominator, 4, because as 4 greater than 3 greater than 2. So for in ascending order, 5 upon 4 upon 5 upon 3, 5 upon 2. So that means, and in descending order, 5 upon 2, 5 upon 3, 5 upon 4. Okay. Ascending order means lower value to higher value, and descending order means higher value to lower value. Okay. So how can we calculate the higher value or lower value? So lower denominator, when numerators same, here the numerators are same. See, all the fractions have 5 as the numerator. So next, lower denominator means highest value. So here what is the lower denominator? 2. This is the highest value. Next 3. Next value of this 3. Next 4. 4 is the highest denominator. So highest denominator means lower value. So we can write as also this, higher denominator means lower fraction value. So see, higher denominator. So here 4 is the highest denominator. So this is the lowest. This is the lowest fraction. So this is the lowest. Next, ascending order means lowest to highest. Next 5 upon 3, because 3 is greater than 2. Next 2 is the smallest or lowest denominator. So this fraction has highest value. So this. Okay. So similarly we can write also like this, higher numerator, higher fraction. Lower numerator means lower fraction value. Okay. So I am giving another example of this. Suppose you have given 11 upon 5, 11 upon 3, 11 upon 7. So see, what is the ascending order? So ascending means you have to find the first smallest. What is the smallest? Now we have to check the denominators. Having highest denominator, that must be the lowest fraction. So what is the highest here? So 7. So fraction is 11 upon 7. Next 11 upon 5. Next 11 upon 3. And for descending order, 11 upon 3, 11 upon 5, 11 upon 7. Clear? So just when numerators are same, you have to check just the denominators. Denominators lowest value means fraction value highest. Okay. Next, similarly for this, numerators different but denominators same, like this 2 upon 5, 4 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. Okay, so ascending order. So here we have written higher numerator, higher fraction. So ascending means lower to higher, so first you have to find the lower, and so lower numerator means lower fraction value. So what is the lower denominator here? You see 1 greater than 2 greater than 4, that means 1 is the lowest numerator, 2 is the next 4. So what is in ascending order? We can write 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 5, and for descending order 4 upon 5, 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. So understand or not? See, here new denominators are same, all are 5, but now you have to compare only the numerators. Which numerator have the highest value? The fraction value is the lowest. Which numerator has the lowest value? The fraction is lowest. Which numerator has the highest value? Then the fraction is also highest. Okay, opposite. Here lower higher. Here the relation is lower higher, but here higher higher. Okay, here same relation, but here opposite relation. Okay, another example. Suppose you have given like this, 2 upon 7, 5 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. Ascending order. Denominator same. Now you have to compare. So 3 greater than 2 greater than 3 greater than 5. Sorry. 2 less than 3 less than 5. Okay, so 2 is the lowest. So what is the lowest here? 2 upon 7. Next 3 upon 7. Next 5 upon 7. For descending order, 5 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 2 upon 7. Clear? Next, it is very important. I have told you it is very important. So first you have to convert all the fractions into like fractions. To do this, first we have to calculate the LCM of all the denominators. So first I am writing some fractions. These are like this. Suppose you have given 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 10. Okay, 3 upon 10. Okay. So now we have to first calculate the LCM of all the denominators. Follow the process. LCM 3, 5, 10. So first 3, 3, 1, 3. Next 5, 1. Next 10, 2, 5. So here LCM is equals to 2 into 3 into 5 is equals to 30. Here you see LCM is 30. So now we have to write this fraction. Write this 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 10. Okay, so 30, write 30 and write 30. Okay, so here see 3, 30. So how can we get 30 from 3? If we multiply 3 with 10, so we have to multiply 10 with 2 also, so we get 20 upon 30. 5, 30. So if we multiply 6, we will get 30. So 6, 4, 6, 24. Next 10 into 3, 30. So multiply 3. So 3, 3, 9. So now compare these fractions. Here we see 24 greater than 20 greater than 9. So 24 is the highest. 20 is the next 9. So this fraction must be the highest, because here say denominator same, just compare the numerators. This process. So if we write first ascending order, so 9 is the lowest, so the fraction is here 3 upon 10. 3 not write 9 upon 30. This is the like fractions and that is converted, but which is the real fraction? Real fraction is 3 upon 10. So 3 upon 10. Next 20 consists of this 2 upon 3. Next 24 means 4 upon 5. So this is the ascending order. And descending order, for descending order 4 upon 5 greater than 2 upon 3 greater than 3 upon 10. So understand the process or not? Understand the process or not? I am giving another example. Suppose you have given 3 upon 8, okay, 5 upon 12 and 2 upon, not 2, 1 upon 6. Okay, so first you have to calculate the LCM. 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. Next 6, 2, 3. So here LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, So 2, 2, 3, 8, 24. So this is LCM. Now write this 3 upon 8 is equals to dash 24. Next 5 upon 12 is equals to dash 24. Next 1 upon 6, 24. Now find 8, 24. So 8 into 3 obviously, so 3 into 3, 9. 5 into 22, 12 into 2, that means 24. So here 5 is 2 obviously, 10. Next 6 into 4, here also 4. So 4 was 4. Now compare these fractions, these like fractions, 9 24, 10 24, 4 24. So here 10 is the highest number, next 9, next 4. So which is the smallest fraction? Consists of 4. Here consists of 4 means 1 upon 6. So 1 upon 6 the smallest. Next is 9. 9 means 3 upon 8. 3 upon 8. Next 10. 10 means 5 upon 12. So this is the ascending order and descending order. 5 upon 12. 10 means it is the highest. Next 9. 9 means 3 upon 8. Next means 4. 4 means 1 upon 6. So this is our result. Okay. So clear the process. You can arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order clearly. Okay. So students, do the sums yourself today up to here. Okay. So thank you.